That was lit.
Holy shit, bro. How people. Oh, geez, Sprite. Dang. How to burp like a beast. Love you guys. Should really be studying right now. That was awesome. See, guys, you're not the only ones that do it. Oops. Ugh. There you go. Okay. Why isn't it going? Excuse me. Hi, Jay. Oh my god. Happy International Women's Day. Hi, Vine Stars. Okay, 1, I have awesome hair. 2, I have this awesome talent. It's Women Crush Wednesday, and you know what that means. Sometimes I don't find it fair that there are all these great singers on Vine, and then I'm just over here like... I call the wild.